Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Aisha Slim and you are watching Market Minds. What if I told you you can start earning from your phone? Sound crazy, right? But the real problem is most people just watch videos. They never take action. Trading is one of the most powerful skill you can learn today, but let me be clear. Trading is not just about clicking buy and sell. Real trading is about strategy, patience, and risk management. When I started, I made a lot of mistakes. I lost money too, but over time, I learned how the market actually works, and that changed everything. If you are serious about learning trading the right way, you need the right platform and a proper starting point. That's why I have added link in the description below. Use that link to create your trading account. It's beginner friendly, easy to use and perfect for getting started. You can even practice before risking real money. So don't just keep watching. Take action today. Click the link in the description and start now. Remember, your future depends on what you do today. One decision can change your life.